What's up, guys? Live here once again from Stadium Goods. This is Fresco, and today we're going to take a look at the Olive 9 Jordan from 2012, which was originally released in 1994. The original colorway of the Olive 9 was released in 1994, but there was a retro, of course, like most Jordans that we all know and love. There was a retro colorway released of the Olive 9 Jordan in 2012. We're going to take a look at that, and then we're going to take a look at the upcoming release of the Olive 13. Olive 13 is a new shoe, brand new 2018 shoe that they took a spin off of the Olive 9. But of course, let's just jump into the Olive 9 first. Grab this box here. Got the Jumpman logo on the top. Y'all can see right here. Let's open this up. Oh, one of my favorite Jordans, but also one of the most slept on Jordans during this original release. So slept on to the point that many stores even colored the olive part black and sold them as an all black Jordan 9. That's a fun fact for my sneakerheads out there, especially the ones out here in New York City. We've got the Olive 9 here, the 2012 release. So this is not the 1994 original release. This is the 2012 release. We've got a black midsole here with the red Jumpman. We've got the olive hit throughout the entire upper of the shoe that you guys can see here. Just spin this around for you. Once again, black midsole. So we got the full black outsole here throughout with a variety of graphics located in each location. And then we have the red Jumpman right here on the bottom, back tab of the shoe. Let's flip this right up. Full black leather throughout the upper here. We've got the tongue with the Air Jordan logo right there. Black laces. So this shoe is predominantly just black, red, and olive. It actually is a great colorway for fall, summer, whatever you want to put this to, but I'm more of a fall guy with this olive. So now we're going to get into the Olive 13 that I'm grabbing on my left. Comes in a different box, comes with the silver Jumpman box with the red logo right there. Now, I am a huge fan of Jordan 13s. Playoffs might be my favorite, but I'm always willing to try something new. So here is the new take on the Jordan 13 and the Olive 9 colorway. So you'll see the similarities between both shoes. I'm gonna drop this box right here. So, Olive Jordan 13, right here. We've got the black throughout the upper, like suede nubuck material throughout this upper here. We've got the red Jumpman on the tongue. And as you guys, as I alluded to before with the Jordan 9s, we had the Air Jordan branding on the tongue, but it was also in red. So we've got the red Jumpman here. We've got the red Jordan logo right here at the point of the lace entry. And the laces are black that come in this shoe. And as we get to the lower half of the upper into the midsole, we've got the olive hit throughout here. You guys can see this olive, all suede nubuck material throughout this entire shoe. And of course, classic to the Jordan 13, we've got the hologram with the 23 and the Jumpman right there. Let's take a look at this outsole. So these might be bloody shoes. Shout out to Cardi B. We've got the red hit throughout the middle. We've got the white hits right here on the sides here. We've got white hits here and white hits here. And lastly, we got the Jumpman right there on the bottom. Let's take a look at these and let us know what you guys think in the comments. And both of the shoes that I mentioned to you guys are available at Stadium Goods. You can feel free to stop into Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. Please feel free to follow us on all social media platforms: Instagram, Pinterest, Google+, Twitter, Snapchat, everything at Stadium Goods. Visit our website, stadiumgoods.com, if you have any inquiries or questions about anything. And please, 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 last but not least, download the new Stadium Goods app on iOS and Android. If you're looking for us, all at Stadium Goods, stadiumgoods.com, Manhattan, Soho area. This is Fresco, and I'm signing out. Peace.